I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy meme coins using Metamask. We'll start by understanding what meme coins are and why Metamask is your go-to wallet. Then, I'll guide you through setting up your wallet securely. Next, we'll cover how to fund it and find the meme coins you're interested in. Finally, I'll show you how to make your purchase and share essential security tips to keep your assets safe. Setting up Metamask is your first crucial step. Begin by downloading and installing the official Metamask browser extension. Once installed, you can either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your seed phrase. Remember, your seed phrase is vital. Keep it absolutely secure and never share it. Finally, ensure you add the correct blockchain network like Binance Smart Chain to view your meme coins. Now that your Metamask wallet is ready, you need to fund it. Transfer some cryptocurrency like Ethereum or BNB to your wallet address. Next, you'll use decentralized exchanges, often called DEXs, to find meme coins. Connect your Metamask wallet to the DEX platform, such as PancakeSwap or Uniswap. Before buying, always research the meme coin thoroughly to understand its project and community. With funds in your wallet and a meme coin chosen, you can now swap your cryptocurrency for it on the DEX. You might need to adjust the slippage tolerance, often to around 1% or more, for the transaction to go through. Crucially, always double-check the meme coin's contract address to avoid fake tokens. Remember, the meme coin market is highly volatile, so invest wisely and be aware of potential scams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.